Hey there, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a wonderful fruit salsa, a spicy strawberry fruit salsa. And you're probably thinking fruit salsa is kind of weird, but if you like tomato salsa, that's a fruit salsa, because tomato is also a fruit. So let me just tell you a fun fact here. Strawberries are actually not a berry. Berries have their seeds on the inside. Strawberries do not. Raspberries, also not a berry. The weird part is, before I get into it, just stay with me, bananas are a berry, avocados are a berry, and so are watermelons. So what the hell's going on? Anyway, let's make this salsa. It begins with strawberries, and you want to do a small dice on these because you know what? The salsa has to fit on a chip. So this part's a little bit annoying, but it's worth it. Do a small dice on your strawberries, and then go ahead and toss those into the bowl. The next ingredient is the jalapeno. So if you like a lot of heat, just go ahead and mince up that whole thing. But if you don't want too much heat, it's really important to remove the white pith from the jalapeno. Most people think that the pepper, any chili pepper, the heat comes from the seeds. And that's actually just alternate fact. It does not. It's actually the white pith. So if you don't want the heat, remove that pith. I like it hot, so I'm keeping it in. So go ahead and mince up that jalapeno and throw it in with the strawberries. Next thing we're gonna do is chop up some cilantro and add that in. And then we're gonna dice a red onion and add that to the mixture too. Add a little bit of lime juice and a little bit of sea salt, and just gently fold it all together. If you work it too hard, it's gonna get really kind of mushy and gross, so I recommend a light fold, just enough to get all those spices and salt and juice mixed in there, and then you're good to go. So go ahead and throw it in the fridge for 30 minutes and let it chill. Heck, chill out yourself, have a beer. Come back, grab your chips, and you're ready to go. So there you have it, a delicious fruit salsa. Once again, tomato salsas are also a fruit salsa, but a delicious fruit salsa made with strawberries that are not berries, and it's spicy and delicious, and I think you're really gonna like it. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Hey, subscribe if this is your first time watching one of my videos, and drop me a comment if you wanna talk about food. I'll see you guys next time.